Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. I have found another free AI code editor where you can generate any kind of app for free. Here you see that I have built this water reminder app, and this is a nice UI that I have generated with the single prompt. And how I got this prompt, here if you go to this Play Store, here you see that water reminder app, and if you see this download, this is a 1 crore plus download and 4.8 star 3.8 lakh reviews. Okay, so many people are using this water reminder app, and I simply go to the Play Store, and here you see that there is a about this app section. If I turn on this, and here you see that all of these features are given here, so I just simply copied this feature and I gave the same features to this a0.dev website. So the website that I am talking about is a0.dev. So if you go to this browser and simply type that a0.dev, you will find this type of UI. By the way, if you don't have any account, just make an account here. Okay, and here you see that they have written mobile apps in minutes. Okay, so here you have to give your prompt, and here if I show you the app that I have generated, so this is a water reminder app, and there is a section for this gender choose also. So if I choose this male and female, here you see that currently it is showing 2450. Now if I choose a different gender, now you see that it is showing 2170. Okay, so means male and female, for male and female it is showing that this amount of water is necessary for us. Okay, now there is a add section also. So if I click on this 100 ml, here you see that the percentage is also changing, and the current time like 7:31 p.m. that is also showing, means the last drink time. Now currently it is 100 ml. Okay, so now if I click on this 500 ml, you see that it got changed to 600 ml, means 100 plus 500, and the percentage is also got changed, and the time also. Okay, so here you see that there is a weight option, like for the 70 kg person this much amount of water is necessary, like 2170. Now if I change the weight, then you see that the amount of water that is necessary for us, it is also getting changed. So now you can give prompt to this app on the left hand side. Here you see that if I change the weight, in that case I am getting so many decimal number after this point. Okay, please fix this issue. In this way you can give this prompt to this a0.dev, and it will do the all of these things. And if you want to generate the whole code, here you see that there is a export button. If you click on this, it will give you the full code, and otherwise you can share this link with anyone, so that that person can view your app online. Okay, and also if you want to see this app on your phone, in that case click on this view on your phone button. This is the button, and there here you see that this a0.dev app you have to install from the Play Store, and you have to scan this app. Okay, so for Android and iOS both are available, right? And by default they generate the React Native app. And another thing is that you see that they have written 5 remaining changes today. That means they have also written that your message limit resets daily. Message only count when the AI makes changes to your code. So that means 5 messages you will get for free each day. So suppose you have generated one app today, but you have not completed that one, so please visit this same page again. Okay, so on the left hand side you will find this recent chat option. So select that app that you have generated yesterday, and after that make the necessary changes today also. Okay, so in this way you can generate the whole app for free. And another thing is that just remember one thing: when you are generating an app, try to gather the necessary things that you want to include in your app, so that you get this app in the first day. Okay, because you see that there is a limit like 5 remaining messages today. Okay, so daily 5 limit messages there. So try to gather the things, the requirements, and then put the prompt here. Okay, a proper prompt will make your app more smoother and more flexible. Also you will get the more feature. Okay, so I hope you got this video helpful, guys, and if you face any problem just let me know in the comment section. And this is our channel Code Digit. Here you see that 2 days ago I published a video that this Claude 3.7 Sonnet you will get access for free by using this Tray AI editor. Okay, if you have not watched this video, please watch this. Otherwise I have published many videos regarding this AI model that is available in the market, that they have also published, like DeepSeek, QWQ, Qwen, and Gemini Code Assist for this VS Code code assistance. Okay, so please watch the other videos also. And another thing that I have missed to show you, here you see that there is a two option, code editor and preview. So if you go to this preview option, then only you will get the this mobile like mockup, and if you go to this code editor, then you will get the whole code, whole source code here. Okay, and so this was the thing that I wanted to share with you. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.